Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the website data on this watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the general option. Once you do, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the option called website data. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we can tap on clear website data and then tap on clear. What this option does is basically it will remove all of the website cookies, credentials and stuff like that. Basically clear your browsing history. So if you want to clear it, tap on clear data and the data will be removed. And after you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you clear the website data on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.